We've been busy working in the yard today, and we just wanted something really good and really simple to eat. So we're going to make a garlic, potato, steak, and herb foil packet. We're going to bake ours in the oven. If you want, you can place yours on the grill, but this is a very basic, simple recipe. In a bowl here, we're going to place 1 onion that we've got chopped. We've also got 1 pound of these baby Yukon Gold potatoes that we've cut in half. And we've got 1.5 pounds of steak. We've cut our steak into 1.5 inch cubes. The size of the cube will determine the temperature of the steak whenever you're putting it in the oven. So an example of, ours is 1 inch, so we want ours more to a medium well to well done. If you want yours to be more of a medium rare, you want to cut yours into 2 inch cubes because it will bake. That way you'll have that nice pink center. We're going to place that in our bowl. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now if you like these recipes, we'd really appreciate it if you like, subscribe, share, comment. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of thyme. 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, just going to make sure everything is nice and coated pretty evenly. Once it's coated, we're going to cover it and we're going to place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. You don't need my face. Alright, after 30 minutes, we're going to take our mixer out and sit it on the counter for another 15 minutes. And while we do that, we're going to preheat our oven to 450 degrees. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. We just want that meat to warm up just a tad bit. And then we're going to divide this into 4 separate packets. And we're just going to roll that up. We want it tight. Roll it. Roll the ends up. Alright, I'm going to finish the other 3. Alright, we are going to place these in a 450 degree oven for roughly 15 to 20 minutes, making sure that the internal temperature is 135 degrees for a medium rare steak. Alright, these are going to lift out of the oven really easy. Now if you're doing it on the outside grill and you don't have a really strong aluminum foil, you may want to wrap it twice. Turn our oven off. I'm going to stick that on a plate. Unwrap it. Smells delicious. There we have it. A foil packet filled with a garlic, herb butter, and garlic and herb steak. So we hope you enjoyed this recipe. Like and subscribe.